In the test, we do not have much changes. The only thing is change in the views, and instead of a presenter, we have a view model here in MVVM. So let's see what's changed in the view. Let's check in the home view first. In the view, we do have the binding, which was absent in the MVP. So we have to test the binding. But the binding is a publisher. As you can remember, the reload table view, it's any publisher. So you cannot test a publisher normally. You have to create an expectation and wait for the expectation to be fulfilled. Here, the reload table view publisher, it sits for a new event. You don't know when the new event will come. So when new event will come, you have to check if the status is true. Then the expectation will be fulfilled. So here in the view model filter data, when we add new data, it will throw new event and then the expectation will be fulfilled. So that's how you test a publisher, and that's how you can test the binding. Let's check in the detail view. Same as in the detail view, we are checking the data. Here data is a publisher, and similarly we have to create an expectation and wait for the expectation to be fulfilled. Here we are fulfilling the expectation. When there is a new data, there's a payload, we update the UI, and then we fulfill the expectation. Here in the view model data, we append a new data. We have created the data earlier here, and then we assigning the data in the view model data. So as you know, the data is a publisher. It will publish new event and it will fulfill the expectation. Also here we are updating the UI, and then we are checking some extra condition if these are true or not. So that's how you test the view model data in the detailed view test. So let's check the favorite view test. Similarly, we're creating some data here, and then we are creating an expectation and waiting for the expectation to be fulfilled. So when the expectation sees that the status count is greater than 0, it will fulfill the expectation. And here we are appending new data, which will eventually publish new data. So these are the only changes from the MVP, and the view models are almost similar with the presenter, so there is nothing new here, just the name change.